Hello, Mr. Geiselhardt here, and we're going to solve this one by using kind of the definition of logs. What I mean by that is we usually write down an exponential equation like y equals b to the x. Now, using those same letters, y, b, and x, we can write a log equation, and that would be the log base b of y is equal to x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to solve this by isolating the variables. So I'm going to do it how I would any other equation. I'm going to start by adding 13 to both sides. When I do that, I get 3 times the log base 4 of x is equal to a positive 12. Next, I'm going to divide everything by 3, divide by 3, so I get the log base 4 of x is equal to 4. Now, let's just go ahead and use the definition. So if I want to take a log and I want to put it back into exponential form, it'll look something like this. The base of my exponent is going to be 4 raised to the power of whatever my log equals, which is 4, and that equals whatever I'm taking the log of. So that would be y. So I have, or I'm sorry, not y, we would probably put an x in there. So I would have 4 to the 4th power equals x. Well, 4 to the 4th power is just 256.